10. Okay, next. Let's proceed now to the portions in your leg. Okay, so ano mo, longest bone sa body, if ever you have your preference. Okay. Next, at the levels in your leg. So the levels in your leg, you have two bones, the tibia and the fibula. So on the medial side, you now have the tibia, slender siya. Magmay siya. Hindi mo. Okay. So let's identify first the tibia. In regards to the tibia, how did it appear? It appears so as ito mas ni-spread, mas dako or larger yung portion that will be more superior and distal mas smaller siya. Then where's the medial side? So asa ito ang medial malleolus or the medial side here. And near posterior, so asa ito more height or below sa imong tuberosity and put down in the anterior. Okay, so we're going to identify now. Okay. So first, you now have the tibial condyles. Elevated portion here, center. We call that part now the intercondylar eminence. The intercondylar eminence. Well, if ever na-mention sa lecture, if ever kung tagsa-tagsa ako ni eminence, it is more being named as intercondylar tubercle. So we have the lateral and the medial intercondylar tubercle. Kung tagsa-tagsa ako. As kung kanan, you have your intercondylar eminence. And if ever maka-encounter mo the word tibial plateau, usually is the portion what is being referred to. If lang na maka-encounter mo, tibial plateau of that area sa tibial plateau. Okay, next. Okay, below sa imong condyles and on the anterior side, na may bone na protrude again is one. And we call that part now as the tibial tubercle or tibial tuberosity. Okay, tibial tuberosity, tibial tubercle merge. Tuberosity of the tibia or tibial tuberosity. Anterior side. Okay. Below sa inyong tibial tuberosity, kahit ang portion, we call that part now as the sheath portion of the tibia. The sheath, S-H-I-N, sheath. Some would call it maybe as the crest of the tibia. So sheath,